Hi guys, yesterday a friend of mine was said to be wrong as she makes single crochet with yarn under instead of yarn over. Well, she's not wrong. Today I decided to make this video to show everyone that though people are more familiar with yarn over, yarn under is a correct technique. The fact is that its outcome is great, especially for Amigurumi projects. I have made samples using yarn over and yarn under techniques to compare. Before the comparison, I will show you how to yarn under. The yarn under technique can be seen clearly when applied to single crochet. The other stitches, such as half double crochet, triple crochet, are hard to see the difference. So I will show you how to work a single crochet with yarn under, which is also what people usually do. So insert your hook to a stitch. Traditionally, you would wrap the yarn around your hook like this, right? It can be seen that the yarn is above your hook. That's how it's called yarn over, meaning yarn over the hook. Therefore, yarn under means the yarn is under your hook. So instead, you're gonna insert your hook and then bring the hook up so that the yarn is under your hook. Pull the yarn through. Again, bring your hook up so that the yarn is under and pull through to finish the single crochet. Here we have 4 samples. The gray ones are crocheted with yarn over and the beige ones are crocheted with yarn under. I crocheted in both row and circles so we can have a better comparison. Both types of samples have the same number of rows and stitches. Regarding the samples crocheted in rows, I find the one with yarn under is a little smaller. The stitches are tighter than the yarn over one. It seems hard to be seen here, but I feel the texture of the yarn under sample is a bit thinner than the traditional one. If not mentioning the size, they look similar. How about the samples worked in circle? The yarn under is again smaller than the yarn over. Its stitches are tight, so it kind of gives a stronger structure with minimum holes between stitches. That's a good explanation to why people yarn under when crocheting stuffed toys. Because when you stop the crochet work, the fiber fill has less chance to come out from the holes between stitches. You can see that the stitches look like a V letter in the yarn over sample, but it's a little bit twisted here in the yarn under sample. I like this one better. To sum up, if I crochet a top, dress, cardigan, mitten, scarf, clothes, I will work with yarn over as it will create a softer and thicker texture. On the other hand, with Amigurumi projects, I will definitely go for yarn under. So are you crocheting with yarn over or yarn under? Leave a comment below so we can discuss more. That's all for today's tutorials. Hit like if you find my video helpful and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!